As far as taking a village, especially as you're sending the kids off to school today, as you're getting ready for work, you may want to grab some rain gears. You're heading out the door. It's not necessarily because of the rain right now. We can clearly see a little bit of isolated showers on the board on our satellite and radar, but it's more so going to be for the rain that's going to be present as you're going through pickup, bus pickup, things like that. That's when we're going to see rain chances increase in the coastal bend. Mostly cloudy skies. So start today, and it's not going to leave anytime soon, really, for us. As we get into this afternoon, those afternoon high temperatures are really going to struggle to break into the 80s. Most of us sitting in the upper 70s along the beach, lower 70s, 73 in Port Aransas. We start to see isolated showers, scattered showers start to move in as we get into tonight. A lot of that coverage will be for the northern part of the region, Corpus Christi and north of that. But as you can see, still having some isolated showers here and there into our Wednesday night. As we get into the overnight hours, activity picks up. It picks up even more so into Thursday morning. So as you're heading out the door tomorrow, you're going to want to make sure once again you are prepared for the heavy rain. These bands of rainfall is what's going to be dropping that heavy downpour pretty quickly all at once. And as you can see, it's going to be about 9 a.m. tomorrow. So a lot of us will have our day started, be out and about, things like that. Off and on rain of these heavy downpours are going to continue throughout the day. But as we get into tomorrow evening, anticipating this is when we get the greatest chance of seeing that last push of a lot of heavy downpour. Rain will still be present as we get into Friday, but that's when we start to see that chance for rain starting to fall here for us. Either way, as we can see, this map is from the Weather Prediction Center showing that the entire Lone Star State, we're all in line for a good amount of rain, especially in the watershed. We need a lot of this water, but especially here in Corpus Christi, rain totals ranging from today through Friday are on the higher side. Corpus Christi and north, we're anticipated to receive near about 5 inches of rain and above that. Even for our friends in the Beeville area, Weather Prediction Center has some of those totals closer to about 10, 11 inches of rain. We have this customized map. This kind of just shows all of our models together, not just the Weather Prediction Center, but even the Euro and the GFS model, showing those totals a little bit lower with those rain bands a little bit north of Corpus Christi. Either way, as you can see, we're all in line for a great deal amount of rain these next couple of days. So much so that the National Weather Service already has a flood watch on the board kicking in at 1 p.m. today through noon on Friday. So it's going to be wet. Be mindful of the hazardous conditions. Flood risk. This has also been enhanced to the moderate category for us today. Tomorrow as well, we still are going to be included in that, but we start to see a little bit of our areas to the west start to die down into that marginal and slight risk. And into Friday, once again, we're out of the clear for that flood risk, but rain will likely still be in the mix here for us. Rain will start to fall as we get into Friday afternoon, getting into our weekend. Rain chances on the lower side, and that's going to mean gorgeous conditions for our weekend ahead. We'll rise temperatures back into the upper 80s with the return of mostly sunny skies. A cold front sneaks in for us Monday morning, and that's going to drop those values into the lower 80s as we're kicking off April.